Looking for a new home? Welcome to 2556 Marshfield Court. This spacious townhouse offers 2 bedroom, 2.5 baths, and just had a price reduction. The new price is $265,000 plus $5,000 seller credit. This home offers an open layout, modern finishes, and a prime location near shopping and dining. Minutes to Traditions, I-95, Florida Turnpike, and much more. This is a great opportunity. Call me today to schedule your private showing. Ted Clark, 240-888-7100. Thank you.